Find Telegram downloaded files in PC. How to find Telegram downloaded files in PC? It's easy. Just go and open Telegram app. Now after you open it, go to three lines here. Now after that, go to settings. Now go to advanced and go to download path. Click on it. Now make sure to select the latest one. Now after that, you can create a new folder on desktop. You can new and name it like Telegram files, like this. Now after you create the folder, just tap on it and select folder. Now after that, click on save. Now just I will check. Now after you go to or you open a group, as you can see, I will select this image. Now click on download it. So after the image is downloaded, you can go back and you can check the Telegram folder like this. And after you open it, as you can see, this is the image that we downloaded. So this is how to find Telegram downloaded files in PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.